am I a real boy now, Papa?
Okay. Okay, Pinocchio. Okay, Pinocchio.
Something else grows when I lie.
What? Oh, she's in the VC. Damn.
No, that's fine. I don't even fucking care.
I'll find my own path. Better get paid
Hello.
after all this. I don't like having my time wasted.
Hello, every bunny.
Hello.
Restoring balance.
Let's win.
Oh my goodness,
I
you
might
come
think
out
about it. So, oh my bad. To be honest, I'm so sorry.
Dude,
Soothing your wounds.
I'm like,
I finished all my drives and rank reset.
Oh.
So I really don't.
dude,
I'm on my way.
I got on like 2 minutes before it ended, and I didn't like I queued into a game before those 2 minutes ended, but I didn't get my drives points, even though I won.
That's bullshit.
This Kaz is just kind of like continuously flanking me.
I'll stay near you.
Damn, how
Oh.
the fuck does he have 7 kills?
No, it's
in a
okay.
minute?
I got
Okay,
this.
keep
Hey
No, but
guys,
he is kind of
GGs.
nasty.
Oh! What are we doing? What are we doing? Why did we get off Czar? Hey, hey, hey.
If I don't get a pick, I'll switch.
Okay, cause I can't be solo tank. Like you guys don't want that, low key.
talk.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
Show.
They have one sport. They have no hazard. Ow. We say it like
shit.
Owen Wilson.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Wow. Oh wait, holy bubble, holy bubble. Oh my god.
Lois.
My bad.
Fuck. I love you all. Goodbye.
Amara was on it.
How could you leave me? Thought we were gonna go the left way, but you just walk forward. W keyed. Oh, I respect that though.
Was that all?
Oh my god. Guys, that guy was literally 1 HP. Juno was 1.
I maybe should have mentioned I blow at Zarya. I don't play her at all.
Oh, great. We
Yeah,
have
you
two. We have two non-tank
I'm
mains.
so goated. It's
I want everybody to know that I am a support main.
I can go over
No,
some.
everyone's
I'm
just
good
where
at
they're
over
not
some.
Yeah. So unfortunately. No, but like it works though, Troz.
After I get, oh, I'm just gonna swap on this.
Wait. Who's this guy think he is?
Defeat them. We will be victorious.
If you say so.
Freaking literally does.
I'm literally going in there.
Oh my god. Freaking it. Those fucking those guys.
Yeah,
Cassidy, are we behind you guys? Behind you guys?
There's
Yeah,
a
hand in,
ghost
hand in,
guard
hand in.
behind us. That freaking idiot. Destroyed.
That freaking sucks for y'all. Good thing I'm not back there.
I am on fire.
We got a
Are
roadhog.
we winning right now?
No.
We're kind of fucked.
Guys, this is what are we might wake up to waiting in. Why aren't we? What are we trying hard?
Guys?
Well,
He's right behind me, isn't he? Oh no.
last time I checked, he's actually right in front of me.
Well, we might not be talking about the same person.
Oh, well, I got like 3 people in front of me, so I don't know who you're talking about.
Well,
Get a pair of eyes, guy.
I got hit by a rock. Well, I got one too. I fucking missed.
Okay,
Oh,
Rock.
Joker behind.
Back up, Ram. Don't die at me.
I won't, don't
Shit.
worry. Oh, my god, that's coming from the
That
left
sleep
side.
was wonderful.
I'm getting scared.
I died.
What the fuck? Watch this.
Bob is about to do something.
Don't worry, guys. I got this. Okay, like low key, he was like one though. Trust.
High key.
No, yeah, high key, high key. Crazy Bob. Yo, I low key think we got this though. Yo. Wait, do you have any ults? How many do we have? None.
Should we charge?
Nah, we got this.
I am.
Wait, that guy's like literally so low.
Freaking literally.
No, we can hold this. We can hold this.
Cassidy up top.
Oh! I'm going in. I'm backing up.
Wait, no, kill us.
Going
Kill
in.
that bitch. Kill him.
Go. Yes, sir.
Annihilated.
You guys get back there? Okay, nice. I'm looking forward. Let's go, gamers.
Back up, Widow. I'm gonna
What?
protect you.
Two fuckers that don't know how to play tank on tank, dog. Yeah, I got this guy. He's not getting out of my sights.
Nice job. Push up, squad.
I am. I'm with you. Let's go. I got my shield.
Sigma down.
Huh, I'm slowing it for you.
Thanks, man.
I got you.
Thanks.
Don't even worry about it.
Fuck.
Huh, nice.
Bob, do something.
I'm going in.
The universe is singing to me.
Huh, you know
Hi.
it. What tune is it singing?
Oh my gosh,
Can we
guys.
say, okay, can we actually talk about how like two idiots that don't even play tank are like
I think we're fucking
I think we fucking did that shit.
Oh my god, that was awesome.
I freaking think we did that.
See, me personally, this would have been my play again, but like, you know, it's alright. Like, it's okay. Like,
I don't
this
know if you
would've-
see me in the freaking corner over there, but like this would have been my play.
Oh my god, that was awesome.
Kari, I'm so sorry.